Did you know you can access your Android phone directly from your desktop computer? Have access to all your installed apps and use them exactly like you would use them on your phone. Access to your battery level and notifications. With Play, store your download and play Android games with the aid of your mouse and keyboard. Fully functional. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Scrcpy GitHub. Open the GitHub page and download the latest release version. This is the tool that will handle all the screen mirroring magic. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file to a location you can easily access. Now let's install the Samsung USB driver. Even if you are not using a Samsung phone, this driver can help solve many Android phone-to-PC connectivity issues. Go back to your browser and search for Samsung USB driver. Download the latest version. Then install it on your computer. Next, let's prepare the Android phone. Grab your phone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then open Software Information. Find build number and tap it multiple times until you see a message saying, Developer Options Enabled. Now go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down to the bottom and open Developer Options. Make sure Developer Options is turned on. Then enable USB debugging. Now scroll down to the Window Management section. Enable the following options. Once done, restart your phone. After the restart, connect your phone to your PC using a USB data cable. On your phone settings, search for USB settings. Set the USB mode to Transfer Files. Now back on your PC, open the extracted Scrcpy folder. Locate the Scrcpy application and launch it. A permission prompt should appear on your Android phone. Tap Allow, and just like that, your Android screen should now appear on your desktop. Fully functional. You can now control your phone using your mouse and keyboard. Now let's make the screen fit better on our display. Inside the extracted folder, locate the file named. Open a terminal here. It is a BAT file. Open it. Then type the following command. Then press Enter. You should now have a larger and more optimized screen view. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you were able to set it up successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.